We are a global health website, Infinity Infinite Wellness Center, integrating natural remedies, culinary traditions, and exercises from diverse cultures. We aim to provide a comprehensive online resource with an extensive database, tutorials, recipes, and exercise programs, promoting healthy living worldwide. This might be one of the biggest databases. We tried to capture information from history until now. Looked around the world for cohesive database and thinking healthy all across the board. That song Let's Go Crazy by Prince, we present Let's Get Healthy. This wellness center provides comprehensive solutions for daily life, including natural treatments and a historical archive on medicinal marijuana. Our system prioritizes holistic wellness, including healthy consciousness, meditation, spirituality, and a balanced lifestyle. We are grounded in scientific evidence and eagerly anticipate your participation. You can buy a bundle of recipes right on the website. This is the information highway for all the well-being of human beings across the globe. To find the best of the best, the smartest of smartest, intellect of intellect, tapped into a worldwide database. This is a global wellness movement built on research to help us grow through a website that will serve generations with constant upgrades on the wellness center's clothing lines, e-commerce, for fitness gear, teaching and delivering real info to inspire a worldwide lifestyle of health, purpose, and peace be amongst us in wellness. Okay, we are coming to that time, getting closer and closer, sooner and sooner of us opening our doors to Infinity Infinite Wellness Center. If you don't know, health will show you how to get healthy from natural remedy, recipes, exercise, info at Infinite Anatomy Wellness Center, giving a total outlook of your mind, body, and soul. This not just wellness, but a movement towards time management, having a chance to live a healthy life. Follow us, come pursue life, healthiest choices, vegan tea, smoothies, and more. Yes, we are reaching the end of the road and finding ourselves in healthier positions. Positive minds recognize that everything equals something to higher power. Every being, machine, and analyzed thing has been prophesied with healing and purpose. We are embracing wellness, learning about our bodies and the plants, herbs given to us for healing. Infinity Infinite Wellness Center is envisioned as the next hospital, a resource during medical crises when medications are scarce. You can type your symptoms into the Wellness Center, and it will point you in the right direction to natural recipes. We're looking to the future to bring out the best in all of us. When you are well, your health shines with a powerful impact on learning. We are building a community worldwide, so we hope you'll join this movement. Peace and blessings to all. Infinity Infinite Wellness Center, the doors will be opening soon. Yes, throughout our website, we have e-commerce stores for exercise equipment, whether it is fine clothing for medical marijuana, and also skull and bones for the Infinite Anatomy Wellness. We are going to challenge you to learn about the mind, body, and soul. We will keep it going with the ambassador of the Wellness Center. You also can shop our clothing line right from the website. But I got a link right now so you can get a taste of this fast look at me with the Serenity Infinity Infinite Wellness Apparel. Scan the QR code or go right to the store to the link. We have books, we have fashion, something unique that would help you and us represent the Wellness Center, the Wellness Center to be fullest capacity worldwide. Yes, our fashion stories live. You can scan the QR code in the bottom left corner and it would get you right there to our apparel shop. It also will be available on the website. The doors will be opening soon, and very soon. Peace and blessings, and keep a healthy mindset. Signing off from the official Infinite Wellness Center. This is the Infinite Anatomy Wellness Center. I welcome everyone to the Let's Get Healthy, joining us for latest news, letting you know the world is getting healthier by the day. Spent quality time on a vision of living in a healthy world with a healthy mindset. This new edition, the Infinite Anatomy Wellness Center, is a total game changer. The latest technology, holograms, knowing your body's inside and out from the blood to the nervous system. Latest news on stem cells. We are on a healthy mission, yes. We are looking for the best of the best ways, the most intelligent ways of giving natural health remedies, recipes, and so on. Giving you a chance to look and learn each and everything possible about the human body and how it works, going to all of the anatomy and discover great things about ourselves to make a greater way of living. Just like that song by Prince, Let's Go Crazy. At the Wellness Center, we say let's get healthy all across the board, a map base of communities together with vision and purpose. 1211. Let's get healthy, yes, that's right. We're getting right down to it. Boss innovation at its best, yes, say it. Let's get healthy, say it again, yes, let's get healthy. Thus,
for all the well-being of human beings across the globe, to find the best of the best, the smartest of smartest, intellect of intellect, tapped into a worldwide database.